BlackBerry maker Research in Motion posted a major loss this afternoon, sending shares plunging in after-hours trading. Hi there, I'm Lauren Rutzer in San Francisco, and joining me is MarketWatch technology editor Dan Gallagher, fresh off the call. So we saw RIM swing to a big net loss as BlackBerry shipments fell more than 40% for the same period last year. With shares down more than 15% after hours, did investors expect results to be this bad?
You know, they expected results to be bad. The numbers were actually a little worse than a lot of people had figured. The net loss was expected, a big drop in shipments, but that was the shipment drop was worse than expected. But the big reason you're seeing such a share reaction in the late trades is strictly because of the delay of BlackBerry 10, the new operating system they're building that had been expected to come out in the fall. Most people thought about an October launch. Now that's going to be sometime in the first calendar quarter of 2013, and that's caused a lot of concerns about the outlook for this company.
Okay, so regarding that delay, did the company say anything on the call as to why that delay is taking place?
Well, it's a major undertaking to build essentially a whole new operating system. They're building it on this software kernel that they acquired from QNX. It's a big deal, and as they found out that you know there's more to do than they had previously thought, it's going to take longer. And the CEO Thorsten Heinz said they want to deliver a premium experience and that he wasn't going to compromise on that vision. So they faced a choice between getting something out, meeting their deadline, but may have had some problems, or delaying it and having it work well. So they made the choice on quality, but the problem they face is that now they're going to be 4 or 5 months behind the iPhone 5 probably and other competitive products, and so fair question about whether they can actually make it that long.
Yeah. So what can we expect to see from RIM until the next launch?
Well, it'll be a problem for them. We've got probably at least 2 to 3 quarters, reported quarters of without these new devices where they're trying to survive on their existing devices. We already saw this quarter those devices simply aren't selling very well, so they're probably going to have to take a lot of price cuts and inventory financially. They've left the door open. They may have to tap some debt. There's a lot of possibilities for this company. They have to survive these quarters to get that new platform out, and then they face the question of when it comes out, will it do well against the competing devices out there? I think with the stock at the current levels, you're seeing that investors are really skeptical if they'll do that.
All right, thanks, Dan. We'll keep our eyes on RIM over the next couple months. In San Francisco, I'm Lauren Rutzer.